Okay, so let's say you want to create a backdrop for this keychain. This is particularly helpful if your keychain is made up of multiple separate parts that aren't connected, or you have teeny tiny little details. Like these ears probably would print out, but let's say that your image has just tiny little spikes that could otherwise be very fragile if they were in your pocket and they didn't have anything to support it. So I'm just going to go to the back of this keychain here, and I want to add a backplate. So I'm going to click on the whole surface of this keychain, and I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this keychain. So now my level plane is this face of this keychain. I'm just going to make, you can either do a circle or a rectangle. I'm going to do a circle, and you can draw out your circle on your keychain right there. We'll say, just make sure that it covers your whole keychain about right there. That should be good. I want to move it a little bit, so I'll click on the move tool, select our face, and then select the base point, and then that way I can like pivot it around just to make sure that it's nice and center. So that's good for me. I'm going to hit finish sketch, and so I have this drawing at the bottom of my keychain right now. You can see that, and I just want to extrude that a little bit. So I'll click on the extrude and see that face. Now my keychain is already the thickness that I will ever allow it. So we extruded this to be 0.188. If we divide that by 2, just to get that thickness that we want, 0.188 divided by 2 gives us 0.094. So I want this thickness to be 0.094, which will reduce the thickness of my backplate. But now I need to reduce the thickness of my actual keychain to 0.094. So you can do that by clicking on our left tab here. You can see the extrusion button. If we double click on that, it will then allow us to edit that distance. So it was 0.094, I believe. And so now we still have a keychain that is the thickness of 0.188. But I have a backplate now to support it, to make my keychain a little bit stronger. And don't worry about making a keychain hole. We'll be using the drill press and drilling out our own for that. Tune in next time to learn how to do multiple layers on a keychain to define out different features.